How do capital reserve studies prevent future expenses? I'm Britt from WBTC Consultants and WBTC3.com. Use your capital reserve study to prevent future expenses by doing this. Look ahead and replace HVAC units, replace roofs, replace interior finishes, parking lots, pool equipment, recreational equipment, clubhouse finishes. Replace them before they break. Replace them before they fail. Replace them before your property goes on the downturn and loses value for your individual owners, your tenants, your investors, your managers, your clients that are occupying and using and are involved in that space. Use that report to budget and plan for future repairs before they become repairs. They're actually replacements. Budget and plan for future replacements using the capital reserve study. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.